Mi 11 Ultra hands-on video surfaces, tipped to feature 120x zoom, IP68 water resistance, and wireless charging. Mi 11 Ultra, not the official name, has surfaced in a hands-on video showing the design and some of the specifications. The phone is expected to be the top-tier variant in the Mi 11 series that currently only has the vanilla Mi 11 model. Xiaomi has not officially shared any information on Mi 11 Ultra or its launch details, but the video, that has since been taken down and shared via Mirror Link, shows a huge camera bump that states 120x Ultra Pixel AI camera on the model. The video has since been taken down. In a report, XDA developers provided a mirror link for the same. The video shows black and white color variants of what is expected to be Mi 11 Ultra. A large camera module can be seen on the back that takes up almost the entire top half of the phone. This module houses 3 sensors and, interestingly, a small display that can show a preview of what the rear camera is looking at, allowing you to take selfies with the rear camera. The camera module on the black model carries the text 120x, 12 to 120 mm, 1 to 1.95 to 4.1, while the white model sports 120x Ultra Pixel AI camera. It is unclear why the two models mention different details, and we'll have to wait a bit longer to get clarity on that. The YouTuber states the trio of sensors on Mi 11 Ultra includes a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 48-megapixel sensor with a wide-angle lens, and a 48-megapixel periscopic telephoto zoom lens. At the front, there is a 20-megapixel selfie shooter housed in a hole punch cutout. Mi 11 Ultra is expected to feature a 6.8-inch curved OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It may come with IP68 water resistance and a 5,000 mAh battery. The YouTuber mentions that the phone supports 67 watts wired charging, 67 watts wireless charging, and 10 watts reverse charging. The speakers are tuned by Harman Kardon, as the text on the top of the phone shows. There is a speaker grill on the top as well as the bottom of Mi 11 Ultra. Mi 11 Ultra, like Mi 11, could be powered by the Snapdragon 888 SoC. As of now, Xiaomi has not shared any information on the Mi 11 Ultra, and it's unclear when the phone will launch. Mi 11 was recently launched globally after making its debut in December 2020 in China. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.